Children, hope you all are fine. Today our topic of discussion is types of plants. This is the first chapter of EVS. Most of the schools are having this chapter. As we know that plants make world beautiful, so there are different types of plants also we see. Imagine the world without plants. How does it look? It look barren. So when we look around, we see different types of plants. Today we will know about the different types of plants. There are some plants which are very small, some are woody stems, some are having woody trunk. So which plants are categorized into which group? What are the categories of plants? The categories of plants are trees, shrub, herbs, climber, creepers and water plants. So which plants are known as trees? Trees are generally very tall. They have thick woody stem and they have many branches that live for many years. You must have seen mango tree or apple tree. If you have seen and didn't notice, from the next time you notice that it has very thick and woody trunk or stem, and these are termed as trees. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have hard and thin stems. They have many branches and they live for several years. These are termed as shrubs. Cotton, hibiscus, rose. Easily you can pluck a flower, but can you easily get mango from a tree? No. So where you can reach easily, but the stems are not as thick as tree, but not as thin as like climbers and creepers. Those are termed as shrubs. Next, herbs. Herbs are small plants. They have soft green stems. Most common herbs live only for a few months, like coriander and mint. These are very weak and these are termed as herbs. After herbs, now we will learn about climbers. Some plants have so weak stems that they cannot stand upright. They need a support to grow, and these are termed as climbers, like grape plant, money plant, pea plant. They need a support to grow. So it is termed as or categorized as climbers. Now creepers. Creepers are also having as weak as climbers stems, but it can't stand right, so it grow along the ground and they bear big fruits like pumpkin, watermelon. These are termed as creepers. After creepers, we will learn about some water plants. The plants which grow in water is known as water plants. So there are many water plants because as it grows in water, and generally it has big leaves like water lily, lotus. If you see anywhere, you will notice the leaves from the next time, how large big leaves it has. So these are all about the different types of plants. Thank you for watching. We will wait for the next video.